Hello my friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room. This is my channel is Turquoise Dreaming, so I'm so glad you're here. This is actually a little Thrifty Thursday video. Can you believe it? I'm showing you my whole craft room on Thrifty Thursday. So what I'm showing you today is this cart right here. I think it was pretty thrifty and I thought it was so cute. I had been watching it or looking at it for a while and I finally said I have to have it, because I just thought it would be so perfect right there, or I could put it on the other side of this little table, but you can see it doesn't take up much room. And I got it on Temu. I know some people don't like Temu and some people love it, but whatever. I just had to have this little cart. It's a little plastic, it's all plastic cart, and I just thought when I saw it, I was like, wow, that would just, provide some organizational, room and, places in my craft room here, and it wouldn't take up any room. So let me show you. It came perfect, the same amount of time as things usually come from Temu, about 10 days. And it's on caster wheels. And there's the wheels. It has that little kind of basket in the bottom there. And then it has these three. If you get it, just realize that these baskets, this one here, 2 and 3. So there's like 3, the big one down there on the bottom. You see I don't have anything in it yet. And these 3. So these 2 are close together. But what I figure, it's actually 2-sided. If you could see. Both, it looks the same on both sides. So I could, if you didn't have it right next to, or if I moved it out a little bit, I could put something sticking out of both sides there. But what I figure, if you have like scrapbook paper, you could have it tucked in here, and it would be coming out. Half of it would be in the basket and half of it would be about out to here, and the same here, and the same here. So you can see I have some book pages in there that I want to use, so I have those in there just, as a, reminder that I want to use them. And normally I have that type of thing, like maybe sitting back here in my dresser. I have some things I need to put away there, but anyway, so, but that gets, that makes my craft room a little cluttered, so I thought this would be so perfect for things like I want to keep out, but I don't want to just clutter up my craft room with these. I tucked those book pages down in there, and I have, these are some papers that I dyed with my pink paint residue, and since I have them right here and I don't have to have them out on a desk or my dresser there, I have been using them. They're right there and I can see them. And right here I have a little score pad that I had out for something, ephemera. And I think I had it out for a Thrifty Thursday and I haven't put it away yet. But anyway, I have it there too, so I can grab it. And I have these little composition books, these little half composition books that I got from Walmart. And I did one video on one, and I don't know if you will have seen it at the time of this Thrifty Thursday, but anyway, they're all right here because I want to make, I have 2 more to make for my friends, for gifts for Christmas for them, for my friends at work. So anyway, I wanted to show you that cart, and this little, it has, the top part has this little hole here, so this could be, let me grab my soda, could be a cup holder. I keep forgetting, and I put my soda over there on my table, but it could be a little cup holder or whatever you want. Like I have this little note, score pad there. Ephemera, I look at little ephemera holder. Anyway, I love it. It was easy to put together, and it came, no problem, no, damage or anything. It was all in parts in a little box and packed well, and I really like it. So I got that, and I got one other little cart I want to show you in the same order. I just saw this little cart too. Like I have my 3-tier rolling cart there, and I still love it. And that's I call that my project cart. It's over there. But this little cart, I had I already put it away, but I had, you see that wire basket under, this is my sewing machine table or desk here. One of my sewing machine machine tables or desks. So I have this sewing machine here in front of my window, and under here, that's a little shelf my husband put under there for me. I have all my, paper cutters and my letter, what do you call it, envelope makers under there on that shelf, so they can be out of the way. And under here, that's my little foot, foot there for my sewing machine, you can see. And then That's a wire basket, like a locker. That's a locker basket. And I had that full of, well, in the bottom of it is rug pieces that I took apart, and in the top of it is there's some yarn in there and some eyelash yarn. So that's what's in the top. So anyway, I like that basket under there. But I had another round basket in there that was kind of taking up a lot of unnecessary room because it was wider. And I thought, I saw this little, let me show you. I saw this little cart on a Temu also, and I thought, well, that would be perfect for under there because it's got 2 shelves, so I could put everything in that basket in on here, and it would be taking up less room. So down there I just have, this is extra baker's twine that I have. So I have my jar. If you watch my videos, you know I've shown you my baker's twine jar, big glass jar I have. Well, this is extra overflow. One day I'll get it all in that jar when I use it up, but it will take me a while to use all of that bigger twine. Anyway, on the top shelf I have more eyelash trims and things like that. There's some yarn, or I guess it's the type of yarn here, and most of this is eyelash trim. I have it all divided up into bags as to color and everything. But anyway, this is much, takes up a couple inches or so less, probably at least 3 or 4 inches less wide, because my presser, my little foot there, foot pedal for my sewing machine was really kind of like squished under there, and I had to like kind of squish my foot up in there and get it. So anyway, this cart is really cool. It's just also a little plastic cart. It's on casters, and the cool thing about it, like, this is the minimum you can order of it. You can order 2 shelves like that, but if you want to stack it, you can order more of these and they'll stack into each other. So I could have ordered 2 and had 4 shelves, and then put these little handles on the very top. These little handles go on the top, as you see there, and it moves around really easy. And it also comes with these little, I was like, this is so cute. It comes with these little hooks that hang off the side. So if I wanted to, I could even hang something off the side. Isn't that adorable? I just thought so adorable. So this one, I think, this little cart, I think was $13, which I think is a good price considering what these carts cost now, you know. I mean, I don't know if you could find it cheaper. You might be able to, but you know, I thought it was a good price. And the other one I just showed you, the first one, the taller, thinner, you know, skinny one, was 19 something. Like, it was just under $20. So anyway, I have been looking at that other one for a long time, and I really wanted it, and I didn't get it. So I finally decided to get that one and this one to kind of organize under here a little better. And this is like, this kind of cart, this little tiny cart right here could like fit almost anywhere if you have a little space and you want to organize something in your craft room. I wanted it, and I wanted to show it to you because it's the type of little cart that you could just put anywhere. It would pretty much fit anywhere. I mean, in any room of your house, really, too. You could use it under your, you could use that under your, you could leave the wheels off, or I'm sure they have them without wheels, but under your kitchen sink or something like that. So anyway, I just had some fun with a little cart news, the new organization. Wanted to share that today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Everybody have a great day. Here, I'll let you look out my window as I say goodbye. I'll see you later. Have a great day.